Gang, and we back with another video. This your boy Silk Living. Welcome back to the channel. This is the Living Tactical playlist, and I'm back with something new. All right. So if y'all been following my channel or y'all been following my videos, you know I'm currently doing my AR build. And recently, I think the last two videos I did, I installed a trigger, which I can't wait to shoot that. That's by Rise. I believe that's 3 pound or 3.5 pound trigger. It is, I love the way it feels. It's phenomenal. But what you're here for today is, recently I also installed, Tyra Designs grip, right? And those were amazing. I like them, but I happened to run across another, company by Adaptive Tactical. And for the price, I just couldn't beat it. I believe I paid around $71 with change. It maybe came out to like, I want to say maybe 90 bucks or less. And I was able to get a stock, which I never did like my stock. I've talked about it a lot. And it also came with a grip, which is a combo, which is their LTG lightweight tactical grip for AR-15, AR-9. And I have a performance adjustable stock, which, if you know, you follow my channel, I never did like my stocks. That's how the firearms came, and I have the opportunity to finally change them. So this what this short video is supposed to be about. I'm going to unbox these real quick just to give you an first impression of what I think about them. Then I'm going to do a quick install, which, you know, for YouTube purposes, you can't do an install, but I can give you a kind of here and there what you got to do to get it done. Y'all seen me do grips before, so I don't really think there's a need to run through this, but I will. If you're brand new, your first time, make sure you follow and subscribe. I'll give you a walk down on how to install one of these, but I'm not going to do a, you know, straight walkthrough. It'll be real quick. With the stock, if you have an AR, I'm pretty sure you know how to remove a stock, but if you don't, that part I will kind of give you a quick run through of that. But like I said, I can't give you a step-to-step because YouTube doesn't allow that. And for some reason, my videos are not being viewed as much as they used to. And I don't know why, but things have changed when it comes to firearm-related videos. I do not, I'm not sponsored by them. I'm not selling you anything. This is my personal preference of what I found, what I like, my experience, and I'm just giving the back feedback to you. So this is Adaptive Tactical. Let's open them up and let's see what they have to offer. Okay, guys, so let's get right into the grip. The grip feels kind of fine. I don't have an issue with it. It is very lightweight. It does have a plastic feel to it. I'm definitely rocking with it. I was going for like a skeletonized look, you know, just kind of give my AR a little bit of flair. Not so plain Jane because, you know, it is all black. So I ended up switching to one I had. Not that I have a problem with Tyra CNC at all. I just decided to use one of those grips on a whole nother build that I was feeling for a more futuristic look, if you will. So I saw this as a deal, and I was kind of like, at first I just had the stock. I was really just fixated on the stock. And it's morely because of the back of it. Like the back of it has that, it's real squishy, but I just feel like it'll feel better because like mine's plastic, it's hard, and you know, I just hate how it feels. This just feels like a better quality. I love the detail. Look at that. Let's see if we can focus that in. I like the detail of it. It does have a little bit of weight to it, but I was just looking for a better quality stock than what was provided on the firearm. So that was the whole reason of switching it out. And I believe this is going to give it that look, that flair I'm going for my first build. So, like I said, this is very lightweight, plasticky, cool. I'm not really tripping off of that. I was mainly going for this, but because of the deal, you know what I'm saying, 78 bucks. It's like, I'm pretty sure with taxes, it was like under 90. It was way well under 100. And, you know, for the Tyrant, I spent damn near 200 for those two. So I felt like this was definitely a win. Not nothing against them, but just for a better budget build. And I'm trying to stay on the budget. That's the reason why I went up buying these two. And I'm going to take the other one off. So this is going to go on my full size because this is a stock. So it's going to go on my full size 16-inch Radical firearm. And then we're also going to install this. And like I said, I'll give you guys a quick run through of what you got to do. But I'm not going to give you a walkthrough, a step-by-step. So let's get it in so I can show you the difference of how it looks and before and after. All right. All right, gang. So if you remember the build, this is how we're currently looking. This is what we're going to change out. This is about Tyrant. That's a new trigger from the last video. Make sure you catch that little snippet. Yeah, I never did like this stock, man. It's cool, but yeah, I ain't rocking with it. So I'm going to take it out. Easy way to take it out. You know that you normally, well, let me say it like this first. This is how we looking. And this is what we're going to switch over to. So then that will be the new look. And I think that has a way better aggressive look of what I'm going for, what I'm trying to do. So I still got to break the firearm down, but that's pretty much, you know, where we're going with it. But to take the stock off, real simple. Instead of, you know, you press it up to extend it, right? Well, this lever here, if you press it down and you pull it back, all this will slide off. I'm doing it with one hand, but I'm going to take it off real quick. So push it down here. Then you pull this down, lever, and you go backwards. So let me do that real quick. So it should look like that. Real simple. Easy peasy. And the one that I just purchased, which is this one, is going to go on next. So I'm going to go ahead and install that and get that out the way. All right, guys, and there you have it. Now she's on. So what I had to do is you have to get it on, push this up, and then using your finger and your thumb, you have to slide this all the way down. And she's on there snug. But that's what allows this to slide all the way down to this part here. And then you can push the whole thing on. So let me show you what it looks like extended. Hold on real quick. It's hard doing things with one hand. Hold on. So that's what we look like when she's extended. And then, you know, push it back in. And this is also for a QD mount on this side, as well as I have one on this side, so I can switch it either side, whatever side I end up using. So that's pretty good. All right, so let's fix this grip, and then we're done with this build, pretty much. All right, gang, so taking this off, want to break the firearm down, and then you want to unscrew this. I mean, I did it before in the other video. There's the pin that came out of it. I'm almost loose. I got to wiggle it a few more, and then we're going to install this handle real quick, real easy, real fast. Okay, so now we got that loose. I'm going to take this out. I'm going to use this D10 pin. I'm not going to use the screws that came with the CNC. I'm going to use the ones that Adaptive Tactical gave me and their washer. So we're going to use those two. And you want to install this back real quick. Because like I said, it's always good to keep the products that you get from other companies, especially when they send you these little tools, because you can always use it for the next firearm. So let's get this installed so I can show you what the firearm looks like as a whole. All right, gang, that's how she looked. Now, it was a little snug trying to get this on here. I guess because it's brand new, and like I said, the plastic was just stiff. But it's on here, and it definitely, these two by themselves got some weight to them. So I'm gonna put the whole thing in, and then you can see how it looks together. But, excuse me. But, you know, I'm gonna miss this. But I got something else I want to put this on. So we'll put that on that. But anyway, yeah, she's pretty much done, man. So my next video, I gotta add a few little grips and stuff. But we're gonna do a full video of my AR-15, what all I got done to it, what all I did. So let me pop this on so you can see the whole thing. And y'all drop in the comments and tell me what y'all think. All right, y'all. There she is. There she is. So, yeah, that's exactly how she's looking. Definitely feeling this is my first build. Damn near changed out of everything except for the bow carrier group. I think that's fine. The railing system, all that was fine. I've done a lot of different things to it, as you've seen on the channel. And my next video, I'm going to, well, I got 2 more videos. And then I'm going to the range to shoot it to see if it holds up to what I wanted and how I thought it would be. But as you can see, everything works. I love how this pattern looks. Yeah, definitely dope. I like the grip. It definitely, you know, contrast goes with this very well. Definitely has a complete look to it. I got to do a few things up front. I might be switching this out. I got a few things to add up to the front, and then I have to get me a nice sling, and she's completed. So that's pretty much it, man, for this build. I appreciate you guys for watching this install, and this review. I got a few more videos coming, man. This thing is done, so I'm very proud of it. See you guys in another one. This is your host, Sip Living, and thank you for watching the channel. Make sure you like, follow, subscribe. Let's get those views up so I can come up with another banger. Peace.
Living